So we're going to put gas in Costco again after we eat at IKEA. We had fun because we met few Filipinos down there. And busy, of course, anywhere in the world, Costco gas is always busy. Same with Sam's Club. And IKEA is just right there. It is 4:03 p.m. So we put gas.
Gas na baboy. Sa baboy ka pupunta?
Oh.
Ang kaluti na dyan. Yung mga sister, diba?
Oh, this is the baboy. Oh. Asto, Atla, Berto, Olofo. And I have Imbani, Rini. I like it. Oh, bili na. Vina. Second time here in Bonus. We're gonna buy rice. Wala na bili yung yummy chicken na yan. Look at this rice, $7.29. And this rice that we're buying is that one. It's this one. It is, I don't know how many pounds. Like, oh, 1 kilo. 1 kilo. Baba Oten said she liked this. And Doritos were $2.78. Surely nga. Na baboy. Okay, this one we found, and it is worth. Meron naman silang Schulingur, and it is worth $12.19. They also have that lump. It's $14.19. So we have a free oatmeal that I saw over there, and it is worth $1.34 for just one of that. Daddy, pakipindot. Thank you. Yan naman nakuha ni Daddy na free doon. That's the good thing of staying in a hostel. People are putting something in the free side, and so we get a lot of free food. I don't know what that means. Oh, it says if I want to print it, my world. Gano'n na kami doon sa may babuyan.
Meters at the roundabout. Take the ramp to Route 41.
Route 41.
Meters. Merge onto Route 41.
Merge. going?
Okay, market.
Busta de Vigor or OK Market at 5:05. Ay, 5:05 ng hapon eh. Ang tama na pan somewhere damo long weekend. Anya ata. Globe.
Take the next left.
Pag-park kami tato. Data. Di pa iba. Baka ang pag-park ka ni Jayan.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, market. Icelandic chocolate. Let's check it out. That's a rental car. And there's an airplane there. I don't know what kind of. Or is this this domestic airport or something? I'm not sure. Oh, this is the domestic airport of Keflavik. Keflavik? Keflavik Airport. Subleta yun. Oh. Nagluto tanti adobo nga baboy. Kunana ajay lugan Latinos kunana. Oh, this is a rental car. So that's the OK Market.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Route 49. 300 meters,
Oh.
turn right. Right, then slight
Yeah.
right.
Just wondering.
Here.
Kaya mata jay nagrentaan mi iti flybus. Ay nagluganan mi. What the heck? Anya nga nagluganan nag hostel entrance. This is a self check-in hostel. Last night over here, it's okay. It's just the Wi-Fi won't get all the way down to our room. We have to go to the kitchen so we can get a good Wi-Fi. I think their router ends in this side, and all the way down it's so hard to get Wi-Fi. There's a shower room. Welcome in. They will give you the code. So I'm trying to make pork adobo, and this is how it looks like. It's pork belly from Bonus, the one that we bought at the Asian store. Sibuyas. I think that's from Bonus. The exhaust fan. There you go. Oo. Kasi buto-buto para may sabaw. So we have that. And I will put a dash of salt-free dash flavor. This is dash because I can't find any of the ground black pepper around there. I'm taking this, it says free. Haha. Oh, di ba? What time is it, Baba?
12:40.
12:40.
It's bright out.
It's bright out. It's 12:40 at night, huh?
12:40 in the morning.
In the morning. Past midnight. And bright. So bright out there. So bright. Right there. Daddy, what time is it?
Can you send it into your phone, mommy?
No, I want you to tell me, please.
Pasado launan.
It's 1:08, right? And that's 1:08. 1:08 a.m. Everyone's still awake. Look at that. This is where we are staying. It's like the lobby. There's no receptionist, but everyone's here. Sitting. And me as well. And the TV is so quiet. Can you tell your story so Daddy know?
If he didn't respect my no, then I would.
No. Tell Dad what happened. And there's this guy that asking her to go out and eat. And he is riding a taxi, and there's a taxi out there. Maybe he just got back. He is a sailor. He is asking her to go eat out with him. He said we'll come back after an hour. What the heck? I said don't go with the strangers. He is a sailboat captain. I think that's the guy.
I told him about how we were on the Norwegian Prima, and he's like, I live in Amsterdam. Oh, I think that's him. He's like, I live in Amsterdam. He's like, I sometimes see the ship when I'm just around.
She get a free pizza.
People really are here late.
Now let's go back to bed.
Okay.
It's still bright out there.
Where's the trash?
Tara na, sabi. Buhatin mo na yan.